Hello children, today in this chapter we are going to learn India's neighbors. So in this chapter we shall discuss the countries which share their borders with India. A total of 9 countries share borders with India, of which 2 share sea borders and the other 7 countries share land borders. But in this chapter we are going to learn the land borders, or you can say India's neighbors, that is of 7 countries. India is the 7th largest country in the world. It is also the 2nd most populous country in the world. Populous means populated. It has varied geographical features, climatic conditions, soils and natural vegetation. It means that in different countries the climatic conditions, soil and vegetation is different. Let us know our country and its neighborhood. So the next point is India, location and extent. India is located in the southern part of Asia. Now let me show you a map of India. The latitude, this dotted line, is the latitude of Tropic of Cancer. Passes through the middle of India. It is surrounded by Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east and the Indian Ocean in the south. Now let us know some physical features of India. The total area India covers is 3.28 million square kilometer. The east-west extent means the area covered, is 2,933 kilometer and the north-south extent is 3,214 kilometer. Now let us learn about India's neighbors. India and its neighboring countries are known together as Asian countries. India's major neighboring countries are, let me show you in the map. The major neighboring countries of India are Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Pakistan. So, India has rich cultural and historical linkages with all of these countries. Not only cultural and historical linkages, but it also has good relationship with other countries in terms of trade. Now, what are cultural heritages? Cultural heritages means it includes buildings, monuments, books, traditions, etc. And historically, how the countries are linked with each other. So let us study one by one. So the first country which we are going to study is Nepal. Let us see where is Nepal. Nepal is this part. This is Nepal. The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. Other important cities are Pokhara, Viratnagar. Currency is Nepalese rupee and the official language of Nepal is Nepali. So, Nepal is located in the majestic Himalayas. This part is Himalayas. Actually, it starts from here. This part till here is Himalayas. So, Nepal is located in the majestic Himalayas and it is divided into 3 broad physical areas, that is the mountain region, the hill region and the Tarai region. Next is the historical links with India. Buddhism is common to the history of both India and Nepal. Gautam Buddha was born in Lumbini in Nepal. Later on, his ideas of Buddhism has spread in India. Buddhism is the most important religion which is practiced in Nepal. Gorkhas means the Nepalese soldiers. They are very famous because of their strength and bravery. Gorkhas, they have been part of the British Army and a special regiment. Regiment means a permanent unit of an army is known as regiment. Is there in the British Army, and in the British Army there is about 30,000 Gorkhas who work under British Army. Next is Pakistan. Let me show you in the map where is Pakistan. This is Pakistan. So the capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Other important cities are Karachi, Lahore. Currency is Pakistani rupee and the official language is Urdu. So the country is divided into three broad physical features. What are they? The high northern mountains, the Indus plain and the plateau of Balochistan. Karakoram is the mountain range of the country. The other mountain ranges are the Suleiman range and Kirthar range. Many minerals are found here, and the Indus plain is drained by 5 tributaries of Indus. What are they? Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj and Beas. Let me show you in the map the rivers of Pakistan. So the 5 tributaries of Indus are Satluj, Ravi, Jhelum, Chenab and Beas. Historical links with India. India and Pakistan, they have a common history. Before 1947, it was one nation. But in 1947, the British divided into 2 parts, and that is how Pakistan was born. Many monuments in Pakistan, they have an history that they share with India. The twin cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are in Pakistan. Then the Takshila University is one of the earliest university in the world, which is in Pakistan. And the birthplace of Guru Nanak Ji, Nankana Sahib, is also in Pakistan. Next country is China. First let me show you where is China. China is here. So the capital of China is Beijing. Other important cities are Hong Kong, Shanghai. Currency is renminbi and the official language is Mandarin Chinese. China has 3-step ladder topography. Topography means the physical features of a land. So the land is divided into 3 parts. What are they? The highest part, that is the steppe, is formed by Qinghai Tibet Plateau, which is in the southeast. The second one or the second step is the large basins and plateaus. Now what are basins? A basin is a depression or deep in the earth's surface. Means there will be a big hole in the earth's surface. And plateau means an area of high ground which is above the ground. And the third step is that it has broad plains. The most important physical feature of the northern part of China is the Gobi Desert, the Taklamakan Desert, the Tarim Basin and the Khingan Range. The Wangho and Yangtze are the major rivers of China. Then let us know about the historical links with India. Chinese travelers like Fahin and Wensang traveled to India thousands of years ago. They visited courts of famous kings and collected Buddhist manuscripts and texts. What are manuscripts? A book written by hand rather than typed or printed. And written text means a written work. Whatever the words you can see in the book. Okay, those are known as texts. Now, what they used to do, these Chinese travelers, they used to record their experience in travelogues, which are a great source of studying Buddhism.